Welcome to the Urban Spokesman. My name is Chris Sanders, coming to you from the corner of Martin Luther King and Malcolm X, giving you all the news you need to stay up to speed on micromobility and urban infrastructure in New York City. All right, I want to talk about the Brooklyn Academy of Music claiming that the bike lane proposal poses serious safety concerns. So apparently they wrote a letter to the Community Board 2 over in Brooklyn. And what they're concerned about, they say that the operating costs are going to go up, but they didn't really specify any specifics. I disagree with that, or well, maybe they will go up or whatever. They're like, oh, well, we're going to have to be concerned about safety now. And I'm like, I don't buy that. I mean, you should be concerned about safety as it is now, because what's existing there now is some sharrows on the street and parking lanes with sharrows, and then cars and bikes are supposed to intermix together. That doesn't really work. Everybody knows that's not safe. It's not safe for pedestrians. It's because all the cyclists, half of them will end up on the sidewalk, and then the other half of them will end up in the middle of the street. It's confusing for everybody. So don't buy that. Don't buy that claim that, protected bike lane in this spot would be unsafe. So basically they're talking about the area of Ashland Place there, over there by that Navy Yard. It leads into the Manhattan Bridge. All that. Everybody knows that's a highly bike traffic area with like trying to mix with the cars. I mean, like, good Lord, that spot is a hot mess. My bike shop is over there where I get my bike serviced, and that part of the street in particular is very, very bad. I'm hoping they fix that. So DOT put out this proposal for a cycle track going in either direction, 5 feet each direction, on the east, right next to the east sidewalk there, and it's protected with parking. So they've got a parking protected bike lane. That's what they're proposing the change to be. And DOT, they're trying to be reasonable. So they even saying that the Brooklyn Music Academy can go in there and they can utilize the space if they're having some kind of event or whatever, which everybody kind of already understood that, but I think sometimes people are just afraid of progress, afraid of change. They don't want to change anything, but the bottom line is change is a natural part of our lives, and we need to own it. And we should be rewarding people who want to be sustainable with their transportation. We shouldn't be placing, a $30,000 debt burden to participate in the New York economy on people by forcing them to drive cars. So I will be thrilled if the DOT goes ahead and goes through with this and puts the bike lane, the protected bike lane in there. And guys, let the Brooklyn Community Board 2 know that you support a protected bike lane here, because it's going to make things safer for pedestrians, safer for cars, and safer for cyclists. And it's going to be easier for everyone to understand what's supposed to happen. In any case, all right, let's make it a great day. Ciao.